Welcome to the video, Getting the Newsgroup Data. In the previous video, we took a tour through powerful NLP libraries in Python. In this video, we will import the loader function for the 20 newsgroups data and download the dataset with the default parameters. The first project in this course is about the 20 newsgroups dataset found in scikit-learn. The data contains approximately 20,000 across 20 online newsgroups. A newsgroup is a place on the internet where you can ask and answer questions about a certain topic. The data is already split into training and test sets. The cutoff point is at a certain date. The original data comes from this website. Different newsgroups are listed as given here. All the documents in the dataset are in English, and from the newsgroup names you can deduce the topics. Some of the newsgroups are closely related or even overlapping, for instance, these 5 computer groups. While some are strongly irrelevant, such as Christian and baseball, the dataset is labelled and each document is composed of text data and a group label. This makes it also a perfect fit for supervised learning, such as text classification. We will explore later in detail, but for now, let's focus on unsupervised learning and get it started with acquiring the data. It is possible to download the data manually from the original website or many online repositories. However, there are also many versions of the dataset. Some are cleaned in a certain way and some in the raw form. To avoid confusion, it is best to use a consistent acquisition method. The scikit-learn library provides a utility function of loading the dataset. Once the dataset is downloaded, it is automatically cached. We won't need to download the same dataset twice. In most cases, caching the dataset, especially for a relatively small one, is considered a good practice. Other Python libraries also support download utilities, but not all of them implement automatic caching. This is another reason why we love scikit-learn. Let's move on to the command prompt and get started. Start the Python interpreter. Next, load the data by importing the loader function for the 20 newsgroups data. Write the command from the sklearn.datasets import fetch 20 newsgroups. Then we download the dataset with the default parameters. Groups equals fetch 20 newsgroups, so it's downloaded now. We can also specify one or more certain topic groups and particular sections like training, testing, or both, and just load such subsets of data in the program. The full list of parameters and options for the loader function are summarized in this table. Now let's print the groups. And here we have the data which the groups contain. In this video, we have seen how to retrieve the newsgroup dataset. In the next video, we will work on the features.